SBA Publications.
Hello, dear students, how are you all? I hope that you're doing nice and practicing well. Today, I am here with our chapter number 9 of English Grammar. The name of our chapter is Adjectives. So, let's get started. As we already know that adjective is a word that is used to describe the noun or a pronoun. Okay, for example, Pooja is an intelligent girl. So, we are describing Pooja here with the word intelligent. She is poor but happy. Mrs. Chopra is a fat woman, but her daughter is slim. So, what an adjective actually is? It is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun, that adds something to the meaning of it. Now, let's see how many kinds of adjective do we have here. First, we have adjectives of quality. So, they answer the question of what kind. They tell the quality of our subject. For example, he was a brave soldier. That is a beautiful lake. Mumbai is a busy city. An elephant is a heavy animal. So, what kind of animal is an elephant? What kind of a city is Mumbai? What kind of a lake it is? And what kind of a soldier he is? So, these are all the answer to these questions of what kind. Okay. Next, we have adjectives of quantity. These adjectives tell us how much of a thing is indicated. How much? Okay, they answer the question how much. For example, I have much money. I ate some sweets. It is enough bread for us. She has lost all her wealth. So, all these are answering the question how much. Okay, the quantity of it. Next, we have adjectives of number. So, they show the exact number of person or things. They talk in numbers. Okay, they answer the question how many. For example, he has 10 rupees. Some girls are brilliant. Nitin was the first boy in the queue. All men must die. Next, we have demonstrative adjectives. So, to demonstrate means to point, to denote. So, these adjectives point out that which person or thing is meant. For example, this house is mine. We are pointing it out. I like those dresses. That car is yours. These flowers are hers. So we are pointing out at the particular thing. Next we have is interrogative adjectives. That means that ask questions. These adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. With nouns to ask questions. Whose car is this? What kind of journal is it? Which color is your favorite? Who is this man? So we are using these adjectives with noun to ask questions. Next we have possessive adjectives. These adjectives show possession such as our house, my pen, your house, his shoes, her doll, etc. So they show possession. Here are a few pairs of opposite adjectives. Now let us see some opposite adjectives and you have to learn them. Strong, weak, beautiful, ugly, sweet, sour, quick, slow, light, heavy, right, wrong, thin, fat, narrow, wide, expensive, cheap, hot, cold, clever, stupid, long, short, honest, dishonest, dry, wet, fresh, stale, poor, rich, clean, dirty, broad, narrow. So there are some opposite adjectives which you have to learn. Next we have some formation of adjectives. So let us learn how to make adjectives with the help of some common suffixes. We are adding suffixes. Okay. So the first suffix we have is iv and the word is impress. So when we combine them, we get the adjective impressive. Talk, talkative. Next we have able, favor, favorable, memory, memorable, honor, honorable, love, lovable. Just like this, you have to read all of them and learn all of these adjectives. Now we have degrees of comparison. As we know, adjectives are describing words. They describe our noun or our subject, and the degree of comparison is used to compare these, okay? So, uh, it tells us about the quality of a noun or pronoun without making any comparison. So the adjective is not making comparison. When it is not comparing, it is the positive degree. For example, she is a tall girl. Okay, it is a cold day. But when we start to compare the comparative degree, it is used to compare two things. Okay, so the first degree was positive degree that we are not using to compare anything. Now we have the second degree, that is our comparative degree, and here we are using it to compare two things. Okay, we use the word than for comparison. For comparison we use the word than. For example, Ravi is better than Rani. Tea is hotter than coffee. After this comes our superlative degree, that is used to compare more than two persons or things. Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mercury is the hottest planet. So now what do we have here is we put the before the superlative degree, and in comparative degree we put than after it. Now we use the article the with the superlative degree. Some common mistakes. Let's see what are these. So the incorrect sentences are here and the correct ones are here. Rani gets a less salary. No. Rani gets a smaller salary. The poor are with us. No, the poor are with us. Lata was the tallest of the two sisters. Lata was taller of the two sisters, because when we are comparing two, we use the comparative degree. Her all books were stolen. No, all her books were stolen. Both boys have not come. Neither boy has come. Health is more preferable than wealth. Health is preferable to wealth. My both eyes are bad. Both my eyes are bad. Aman is my older brother. Aman is my elder brother. Mohan is cleverer than any boy in the class. Mohan is cleverer than any other boy in the class. Iron is more useful than any metal. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Now, interchange of the degrees of comparison. As the following examples show, it is possible to change the degree of comparison of an adjective in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. Let's see. Superlative and comparative. Lead is the heaviest of all metals. Lead is heavier than all other metals. So, here we have changed the degree without changing the meaning of sentence. Just like this, we have done more sentences. Mahabaleshwar is cooler than Panchagni. Panchgani is not so cool as Mahabaleshwar. So, we have changed the way of writing the sentence and the meaning remains the same. He is as wise as Solomon. Solomon was not wiser than he is. Abhigyan Shakuntalam is the best drama in Sanskrit. Abhigyan Shakuntalam is better than any other drama in Sanskrit. No other than drama in Sanskrit is as good as Abhigyan Shakuntalam. So here we are using the degree of comparison and we are changing them, interchanging them, and still the meaning of the sentence remains same. So that's it for the chapter. Now we have this exercise part which you have to do by yourself. I hope the chapter was interesting and you understood it well, and you will be able to do the exercise really nicely. I will see you in the next video with another interesting chapter. Till then, keep on practicing. Bye bye.